Hi, I'm Dr. Padmavathy, Senior Consultant Pulmonologist, Maitra Hospital, Calicut. Today I'm going to show you how to use the breath actuated inhaler. This is an automatic device wherein you don't need to press anything to actuate the inhaler. The inhaler has two components on this side which need to be noted. One is the dose counter. The dose counter starts at 120 doses. Every time you open a new inhaler, it contains 120 doses and the dose counter will move down 20 doses every time 20 doses are used up. So after 20 doses are over, this 120 will move to 100, 80, 60, 40, 20 and 0. Initially it's green in color and by the time the doses are nearly complete, 40 and 20, the color changes to red and it indicates that you need to buy your next inhaler. The second thing you need to note is that there is a button below the dose counter. This button is for priming the device when you buy a new device. First I will tell you how to prime the device. Hold the inhaler upright, sit in an upright position or stand, shake the inhaler well, open the mouthpiece, direct the mouthpiece away from you and press the actuator or priming button. This causes the inhaler to get actuated and the first dose is released. Why we do this is so that the next doses that come are uniformly dosed. This actuation or priming does not need to be done every time you use the inhaler. It only needs to be done when you are buying a new inhaler and starting a fresh piece, or if you have not used the inhaler for over a week and you are reusing it after a week. So once this inhaler has been primed like this, next you have to close it and then open it again. This is the mouthpiece. This mouthpiece has to be kept inside the mouth. Seal your lips tightly around the mouthpiece and take a deep breath inside. Hold your breath for 5 seconds. As soon as you have inhaled, you have to take the mouthpiece out of your mouth and seal your lips tightly and then hold your breath for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, you can breathe out through your nose. Once that is done, you can close the inhaler and make sure you wash your mouth thoroughly before each use. The other important thing that you have to remember is before taking the inhaler, make sure you empty out your lungs by breathing out. And then you keep this in your mouth and take a deep breath. Thank you.